First, I will log in to Warehouse 9, then I will select the goods receipt PO function. In this screen, you are able to list the open purchase orders by clicking on the Reload button, or you can filter the records by PO, supplier number, due date, or item code. Once you have selected the purchase order, click on Receive button to expand the lines of PO and start receiving the items. To proceed with the goods receipt generation, you can pick an item directly from the list, or you can scan the item code into the item filter field with the barcode scanner, which will select a line with a specific item. If your receipt is done in a non-bin location warehouse, you just need to confirm the received quantity on the quantity field before you add the item. On the other hand, if a bin location is linked to a warehouse, after you add the item, another screen with the bin field will appear. Here you can enter the bin where the goods are located. It's possible to receive an item in multiple bin locations. Item A1000, for example, will be received in 01S and also in the other bin location. When you are done with the receipt, push the Done button and you will see how many items have been received in the warehouse. In this case, 5 packs have been added to the warehouse. One of the features of Warehouse 9 that you can handle item with batch number or serial number. First, I will show you how to receive an item with a batch number. During the receiving, you have to scan the bin location. You can either scan the batch number or press the New button if a new batch number has to be generated. Finally, you have to enter the batch quantity. It's possible to receive multiple batch numbers for the same item. Before you are done, you have the option to print labels for the batches by pressing the Print button. Serial number receiving works the same way as for batches. Once you have selected a line, you have to specify the bin and scan the serial number, or generate a new serial number if it's necessary. Print option is available here also. Goods of a purchase order can be received fully or partially. When you are done, confirm your receipt by pressing the Done button. To post your records to SAP Business One, press on the Post button. Then you will be moved to the GRPO Post screen. Here you will see all the receipts in progress, and you have the option to select for posting one or more transactions. After posting the selected lines, you will receive a confirmation message that the goods received have been created for your PO. Finally, you can check this movement in SAP Business One. Go to Purchasing Module and look for the purchase order. Here you can see if the target document was created with the appropriate quantities. We can display the inventory posting list to see the item codes, quantities, bin locations. The Query Stocks function allows your warehouse employees to get information about the stocks in real time. Let's go to the Query Stocks screen. In this screen, you can enter the warehouse or bin location or filter by item or batch number. Now I will show you the contents of location 01S. After clicking Reload, the item list will be loaded. Here you can see the items, quantities, and the bin location. If you want to see the serial or batch numbers, press the Serial and Batches button. You can print stock labels with the print button for a selected line. This is explained in detail in the printing tutorial. The inventory transfer function allows you to transfer items between warehouses or bin locations. I will open the stock transfer screen. In this screen, you can filter by warehouse, bin location, item code, or batch number to load available stocks. I will list the contents of bin 01S. I will move some of the item A1000 from this location by pressing transfer. The from bin field is pre-filled by the previous step. I will specify the destination and enter the quantity to transfer. I am pressing add to include this item to the transaction. You also have the option to move to multiple locations from the same source. When you are finished, you can post to SAP. You will receive a confirmation message. Finally, you can check that this document has been created in SAP Business One. Let's open the inventory transfer screen and look for the last record. You can see the bin locations in the inventory posting list. With Warehouse 9, you can quickly create deliveries based on sales orders. I will first show you the sales order in SAP, which we will process on the mobile device. On the Warehouse 9 sales order screen, pressing the reload button shows all the open sales orders. You also have the option to filter by customer, due date, item, or document number. Now I will select the most recent sales order. To display the lines of this order, I will press Issue. In this list, you can see the item, status, open and prepared quantity. To select an item, you can scan the item code in the item filter field with the barcode scanner, or you can select it directly from the list. To specify bin locations, press the Add button for the location screen. Here you are required to enter the bin location and the quantity. If you don't know the bin location, you can press Find Stock button. This function allows you to see in which bin location the requested item is located. To process the line, you have to press the Done button. Then you can continue to work with the rest of the lines. When you are finished adding the items, press the Done button. To generate the delivery, press Post. After posting, you will receive a message confirming that the delivery document has been created. Finally, you can check that the target document was created in SAP.